Hey everyone, I'm Brian Lindbloom, Product Manager at Park Industries, coming to you from our headquarters in Minnesota. If sink work is a bottleneck in your shop, whether you're dropping and finishing them by hand or your CNCs are slammed, the machine behind me is your answer. Meet Spartan, our new sink and seam CNC router built to help you win the sink battle once and for all. Spartan is engineered for one mission: make sink processing and seam cleanup faster, easier, and more convenient than ever. Are you a manual shop? Reduce your labor by up to 95% per sink, increase your shop capacity, and keep your team away from doing the dusty, draining work. Do you already have a CNC? Sinks can eat up valuable machine time. You can offload those to the Spartan and free up your saw, your router, or both. So what makes Spartan the best sink machine on the market? It's the easiest to load, the easiest to operate, it has the most power, and the best design for flow-through sink production. No programming required, no aluminum table headaches, no messing with vacuum lines or placing cups. The Spartan also descends from our trusted Titan series, using the same critical components: the bearings, the precision helical drive system, the controls package, the spindle, and of course, it's proudly made in USA and backed by the Park Industries peace of mind experience. 24/7 customer service, next day parts, and unmatched support. Spartan features a compact monoblock design built for strength, rigidity, and easy installation. Combined with its helical rack and pinion motion system, it delivers high quality edges and precision you would expect from a Park CNC. It is built for flow-through production. Load from any of the three sides, add optional conveyors or front stands to stage multiple jobs and support parts of all sizes. Where Spartan really shines is how simple it is to run. Zero programming or CNC experience is required. You can choose the workflow that fits your shop the best. Use the built-in sink templates from the library, select your sink, add customized faucet holes and sink mounts, and go. Do you need help adding a sink template? You can send in the digital sink cutout and we will prepare it for you and load it onto your machine for future use. You can also create your own templates on the fly with the easy parametric sink creation. Are you already using AlphaCam or a different CAD software? Import those DXFs directly into the sink library or send ready-to-run programs straight from AlphaCam. You can unlock even more capabilities with Spartan and use advanced machining like drain boards, pocketing, and more, all using AlphaCam. Spartan's interface is intuitive, it's multilingual, and user-friendly. Extras like a status light and sound indicators, along with a built-in job queue, can help you stay efficient and keep your runtime maximized. Spartan's patent-pending load-and-go system is a true game changer. Raise the pop-up conveyor, glide your part across the all-way rollers, and position it on the integrated vacuum cups for fast, repeatable setup. The line laser takes out all the guesswork, showing exactly where the cups, the seams, or the sink centers need to be. Lower the table, and the vacuum cups hold your part securely into place. You are now ready to run. At the heart of Spartan is a 21 horsepower Quantum belt drive spindle. It is the strongest of any sink machine. It's built for powerful sink cutting, high-speed polishing, and repeated durability across even the toughest of materials. Spartan truly drops sinks. The cutout falls directly into a removable collection bin with no cycle interruptions. The bin is pallet jack and forklift friendly for easy emptying. It is also equipped with 19 tool holders. That allows you to handle 2 full sets of profiling tools plus 5 utility tools. Our quick scan tool technology makes tool swapping easy and verification easy, so you can run with confidence. The results speak for themselves. Clean sink cutouts, perfect seams, and beautiful finishes every single time. If you're ready to dominate sink and seam production, there is no easier, faster, or a more reliable way than the Spartan Sink and Seam CNC Router. Come see it in action in person, schedule a visit, and fly to Park on us.